Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Mike Reed coming to you with a little video about Merco. Merco is a warming company. They make warmers for that are used by McDonald's, Burger King, Olive Garden, Red Lobster, and various different other fast food establishments, hotels, restaurants, and the like. And I have a channel on Instagram and YouTube, and it's about showing technicians how to get clients in the commercial industry. And with that, I'm going to get into this Merco video. It was just a little video I had to do this repair the day before making this video. So I said, let me just do a little something for Instagram. So here we go. Merco warmers. What I've decided to do is just show you guys my pictures from, I guess, my from my iPhone. So this is what it looks like when it's in its position. They actually cut a hole in this prep table, cut a hole in the serving table, and then drop this sucker in there. So they have this right next to their Pitco fryers. I think it's a bank of 5. So this is a Solstice fryer. And then so once they're done with the fries, once they're done with the fried chicken, they'll dump it into the warmer. And then just to the left of the screen, that's where they have all the packaging material, and then they will package up the orders. So this is what this sucker looks like. They were getting ready to let me go ahead and do it. So they took the chicken out and everything. Decided to do it on a Saturday morning before they got going. So as you can see, 9:23 at 11 a.m. is when I got on over there and decided to get started. What you have is a system here. This is a 208 unit. You have 3 blowers. Each one has their own heating element. Each one has a high limit to them. They have a thermal disc on each one. So if they get too hot, they'll cut off. And it seems to be that the issue that they were having is that the wires would burn. I wanted to go ahead and just, this is where I'm getting started. So before I get started, I always take pictures and videos of the condition of the unit before I start for various legal purposes. Let's just say the customer wants to dispute the charge. Customer says I was never there. Customer says the machine was never broken to begin with. They don't know why I did the repair. There was nothing wrong. Video documentation. And not that this customer has done anything like that, but you never know. You can always delete this data later. You can always delete this later. So this is what you see. Now, you could just drill these out and replace. You could just replace this component. You just drill out the rivets and then put in your own pop rivets. There was nothing wrong with the heating element. Merco only sells this as an assembly, which makes it easier, I suppose. Not really, but whatever. That's what they say. So I went in, I took this puppy out. So that's 2 of the heating elements had errors where the wires got too hot. And then they cause various burning of wires and things of that nature. So this is the one on the far right. So it had 3 heaters with blowers. This is the one on the far right. And that's their heat sinks with their variable control boards that they have with them. So I just went and cut off all the damaged ends. There was more than enough wire there. I actually had heat grade wire, but I didn't exactly charge this customer a whole hell of a lot of money. So I just decided to repair what needed to be repaired, and I didn't go. I could have just went and changed this out with some high temp wire. Let's see, is this a video? Let's see what else we got. So this is a 208 unit. There it is. I took out the old ones, put in the brand new shiny ones. Fun fact, the manufacturer tried to say that they tried to send me out 110 volt heating elements, which would not have worked out. So I did check the old ones. The old ones were 208, like they should have been. So that wasn't an issue. It just it overheats. I don't know if it's the grease that's getting on those, and it just overheats. So I have visual proof showing that I gave the customer what I charged them for. Here are the old units that have been removed. The new ones are in there. The unit is back in place. Everything is working. Everything is working. That was a video I did. This is what these units cost. This is from Chef's Deal. $6,440 as of September 24th. I just did a screenshot today. And as you see, I got over 27,000 pictures. I try to delete daily to get rid of old ones. But yeah, not a inexpensive piece of equipment. This is the model number, and it clearly states right here, 208 volts. I had 2 or 3 different guys call because on my part, I misplaced the part number. I thought it had it saved in Partstown, and it wasn't saved in Partstown. Of course, I did have to get the part from Partstown. Hurt my soul to do that. So there's the model number, MCG2727NNN. At a place near you, 208. So you do want to, there's a phone number to call them. Phone number's there. Oh, man, where do I go? Who do I call? What do I do? The number's there. The model number's there. Off to the right is a serial number. You can go ahead. You can call all points, give them the model and serial number, tell them what part you want. They'll find you the part. You can go ahead and call Partstown, give them the model and serial number. They'll get you the part. Or in this case, I actually called Delfield directly and got it from the horse's mouth. I got the correct part the first time, lost track of it when I was checking prices, and I had to call 2 more times, kept getting the wrong number. And then the 4th time, the gentleman gave me the correct number. He was a little leery about giving me the 208 part number, but he gave it to me anyway after I showed him that there was a data plate. So it's part of Well-Built. They sold off Manitowoc. So there's Merco on the right. No, Manitowoc is no longer in the picture. So it's Merco, Mary Chef, Multiplex, Lincoln, Frymaster, Garland, Cleveland, Combo Therm. There's no more Fit Kitchen stuff. So that's their hot side makeup. That is the hot side makeup. Okay. And with that, I guess that'll be it. You guys don't want to see a picture of my crotch. I guess that would be it. All right. So thank you all for checking me out. Let me give you guys my information on my YouTube channel where I put most of my stuff, majority of my stuff. It is a lot easier for me to put videos on Instagram, but it is I have a lot more difficulty broadcasting to Instagram. And my whole channel is about not just showing you tech stuff, but translating the tech stuff into an actual paying client. So this is a chain. Little fun fact. The owner has the rights to this chain of chicken concepts in my market. So anytime you see this chicken chain, it is going to be this one owner that has them. I do the work for them on a case-by-case basis, and they actually they try to hedge their bets. They have another food concept selling a different style of protein cooked in a different way. And they will, they're not currently this facility, they have both concepts within the same building. So they own one building, they have it split in half, and they have two concepts operating out of the same building. You don't know it's the same owner. There's a wall between the two. It looks like any other building that has two restaurants sharing the same structure, but it is the same owner. And they have the other concept, I think they have about like 15 or 20 locations spread throughout my market. And I'll do work for them. Also on the hot side, their stock pots and things like that. So check me out on YouTube at commercial_service. You can also put in Mike Reed. So you'll see my face next to a range. I'm actually going to try to change that image and update it with something else. Check me out. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Got a lot of stuff going on. Training classes, things of that nature. But thank you for your time. And real quick, I am going to leave this with the sponsors that have donated to the channel. And thank you for your time. Make comments in the comment section on anything you'd like to see. I'll see if I can address it. But mainly it is about training classes and about different chains, which customers you can acquire. So if you make comments or subscribe to the YouTube channel, I am talking about Costco jobs. Getting a job with a manufacturer that is selling their commercial appliances out of Costco, and they're looking for technicians like yesterday.